Hello children, welcome back. Let us continue with number systems part 2 of class 4 mathematics. Before moving to new topics, let us recall what you have learned in part 1. In part 1, we have learned what are numbers, values expressed in digits are numbers, numerals, numbers written in symbols or figures, number name, numbers written in words, smallest 5-digit number 10,000, greatest 5-digit number 99,999, smallest 6-digit number 1 lakh, Indian place value chart and finding the place value of the digits. Hope you are all clear up to this and have tried the sums related to these topics which comes under problem set 1 to 4. Hope you have tried all sums in your textbook, children. Based on this concept, I have a puzzle for you. Solve. I am a 5-digit number. My 10th digit is 9, my 1st digit is 5, my 100th digit is 0, my 1000th digit is same as hundreds, my 10,000th digit is 8. What number am I? Children, answer for this puzzle will be at the end of this video. Let us move on to the next topics. Expanded form and standard form. Expanded form of a number. Expressing a number as the sum of the place values of its digits, which means expanded form of a number can be written as the sum of the place value of its digits. Example, 45,689. The expanded form is 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 9. Let's see how to write the expanded form of a number. Consider a number 8,96,458. Step 1. Write the corresponding places on top of the given numbers. The given number here is 8,96,458. We are going to write the places on top of it starting from the right hand side, which is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Step 2. Write the place value of each digits. Using the places, we are going to write the place value of each digits. 8 is coming under 1's place, so that the place value of 8 is 8. 5 is coming into 10's place, the place value of 5 is 50. 4 is coming under 100's place, the place value of 4 is 400. 6 is coming under 1000's place, the place value of 6 is 6000. 9 is coming under 10,000, so the place value of 9 is 90,000. 8 is coming into lakh, so the place value of 8 is 8 lakh. Now we have found the place value of each digits. Write the expanded form as the sum of the place value of its digits. So the given number here is 8,96,458. The expanded form of this number can be written as the sum of place value of each digits starting from the highest place value, which is nothing but 8 lakh plus 90,000 plus 6,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 8. Children, hope you have understood this, how to write the expanded form of a number. Let us see problem set 5. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Apply part. Fifth sum. The question is 3,29,100. The first step in writing the expanded form is writing the places on top of the given number. Here the number is 3,29,100. Write the places, which is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So the place value of 3 is 3 lakh, 2 is 20,000 since it comes under 10,000, 2 10,000 is 20,000. Place value of 9 is 9,000, 1 is 100, 0 tens is 0, 0 ones is 0. So the expanded form of the given number here is 3 lakh plus 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 100 plus 0 plus 0. The answer here is 3 lakh plus 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 100. You can avoid the 0 or you can have the 0 since it has no value and that doesn't make any change. Let us do one more sum. Sixth sum. Question here is 5,32,998. As usual, write the place value on top of it. So it has ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. So the place value of 5 is 5 lakh. 3 is 3, 10,000 which is 30,000. 2 thousands, 9 hundreds, 9 tens which is 90 and 8 ones. Therefore, the expanded form is 5 lakh plus 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 8. Okay children, try the remaining sums under problem set 5 in your textbook. Next we are going to see standard form of a number. Usual way of writing numbers which are in expanded form is the standard form of a number. Example, 3 lakh plus 50,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 9. The standard form of this number is 3,50,629. Let's see how to write the standard form of a number. Consider an expanded form 8 lakh plus 50,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 5. Children, as we have seen in writing numeral for number name, we have to see the greatest number given in the number name. Likewise, here also we have to see the greatest value in the given expanded form. Step 1 is, according to the greatest value, we have to write the places. So starting from ones place till the greatest value. Here the greatest value is 8 lakh. So we have to write the places from ones to a lakh, like ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. After writing the places, we have to write the numbers according to its places. Now, how many ones are there? 5 ones are there. So 5 will come under ones. 30. 30 means how many tens? 3 tens. 200 means 2 hundreds. And do you have any thousands here? No thousands. So 0 will come under 1000. How many 10,000s are here? 50,000 means 5 10,000s, which is 5. 8 lakh. So here 8. Now we have found the numbers 8, 5, 0, 2, 3, 5. So the answer is 8,50,235. The standard form of the given expanded form is 8,50,235. Let's say problem set 6. Write the standard form. Apply third sum. Question is 60,000 plus 6,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 8. What is given here is the expanded form. We have to find the standard form. The first step of finding the standard form is look for the highest or greatest number given in the expanded form. The greatest value here is 60,000. So the place is up to 10,000 we have to write. So start writing the places from ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. After writing the places, we can start filling the number according to the places. Now start checking the given expanded form from the extreme right. The first number in the extreme right is 8. For 8 ones. 20. 20 means 2 tens. 500. So 5 will come under hundreds. 6,000. 6 will come under 1000. 60,000 is nothing but 6 10,000. So we found the numbers 66528. The answer is 66,528. Isn't it easy, children? Let us do one more sum. Fifth sum, which is 7 lakh plus 80,000 plus 8,000 plus 800 plus 80 plus 7. As usual, the first step is to find the highest number or the greatest number, which is 7 lakh. So we have to write the places from ones to lakh. write the places from ones to lakh, which is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. Now start filling the places starting from extreme right. So 7, how many ones are there? 7 ones are there. 80, 80 means 8 tens. So there are 8 tens, 8 hundreds, so 800, 8,000, so it will come under 1000. 80,000 means 8 10,000, so how many 10,000s? 8 10,000s. 7 lakh, 7 will come under lakhs. So the numbers are 78887. So which is nothing but 7,88,887. Hope you have understood this, children. Try the remaining sums in your textbook. Next we are going to see formation of greatest and smallest numbers. Forming greatest number with the given digits when repetition of digit is not allowed, which means without repeating the digits. Write the given digits in biggest to smallest or in descending order. So to form a greatest number with the given digits, arrange the given digits in the descending order. Example, form a greatest 6-digit number using the given digits without repeating the digits. The given digits are 3, 1, 6, 2, 8 and 7. So the condition here is to form a greatest number, we have to arrange the given digit in descending order, which means big to small. Here the biggest number is 8, then 7, then 6, then 3, 2 and 1. Therefore, the descending order of the given digits is 8, 7, 6, 3, 2 and 1. Therefore, the greatest number is 8,76,321. So the greatest 6-digit number using the given digits is 8,76,321. Forming smallest number with the given digits when repetition of digits is not allowed. Now we are going to form a smallest number using the given digits without repeating the digits. Write the given digits in smallest to biggest or in ascending order. Example, form a smallest 5-digit number using the given digits without repeating the digits. The given digits are 9, 2, 6, 5, 4. So here the condition to form a smallest number is arrange the given digits in ascending order or just smallest to biggest. Here the smallest number is 2, then it is 4, then 5, then 6 and then it's 9. Therefore, the ascending order of the given digits is 2, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Therefore, the smallest 5-digit number is 24,569. Forming smallest or greatest number with the given digits when repetition of digit is allowed, which means we can repeat the digits. To form a smallest number, repeat the smallest digits. And to form a greatest number, repeat the greatest digits. Example, form a smallest and greatest 5-digit number using the given digits. You may repeat the digits if needed. The digits are 6, 3, 9. Children, here they are given only 3 digits and they are asking us to form the smallest and greatest 5-digit number. Since we can repeat the digits, we can follow the condition that to form a smallest number, we have to repeat the smallest digit. And to form a greatest number, we have to repeat the greatest digit. Out of these 3 digits, which is the smallest one? 3. 3 is the smallest one. So we have to repeat the number 3 to form a smallest 5-digit number. How many times we have to repeat to make it as a 5-digit number? Yes, 3 times. So 3, 3, 3, 6, 9 is the ascending order of the given digits to form a smallest 5-digit number. So I repeat, the ascending order of the given digit is 3, 3, 3, 6, 9 to form a smallest 5-digit number. Therefore, the smallest 5-digit number is 33,369. Here, they have repeated the smallest digit to form a smallest number. And the next one is, out of these 3 digits, which is the greatest one? 9. So, to form a greatest 5-digit number, we have to repeat the greatest number, which is 9. And how many times we have to repeat it? Yes, again 3 times. So 9, 9, 9, 6, 3. So the descending order of the given digits is 9, 9, 9, 6, 3. So the greatest 5-digit number is 99,963. I repeat it again, children. To form a smallest number, repeat the smallest digit. And to form a greatest number, repeat the greatest digit if the repetition of digits is allowed. Understood? An important note. After forming the numbers, do not put commas in between each numbers. Example, greatest number is 9, 6, 5, 4, 2 is wrong. If you mark commas in between each numbers, it will be called as digits. It is not numbers. We should mark the commas according to its periods. Example, the greatest number is 96,542. You understood the difference? If you mark commas in between the numbers, it will be called as digits. If one of the given digits is 0, while forming a greatest number, 0 will come at the last as it is the smallest of all numbers. And while forming a smallest number, it will be a second digit from the left. Example, the given digits 52308. So to form a greatest number, we have to arrange it in the descending order. It will be in the order of 8, 5, 3, 2 and 0. 0 will come at the last as it is the smallest of all numbers. So the greatest number is 85,320. Now to form smallest number, the condition is 0 should come as a second digit from the left. So the next smallest number will be the 2. So 2, 0, then 3, 5, 8, which is the smallest number is 20,358. Children, if one of the given digits is 0, to form the smallest number, remember this. If you have 0 in the extreme left position, the 0 has no value, which means if you keep 0 as a first digit in the number, it has no value. If it is a 5-digit number, it will become a 4-digit number. So while forming the smallest number, it will be a second digit from the left. Example, form a smallest 5-digit number using 26058. So in this case, since 0 is the smallest number, if you put 0 in the extreme left position, it has no value. Then the 5-digit number will become a 4-digit number. See, 02568 is equivalent to 2568, which is 2568. Now, the 5-digit number has become a 4-digit number. Then it is wrong. That is why we are using the 0 in the second digit from left, which is 20568, and it is a 5-digit number, 20,568. So always while forming the smallest number, 0 will be a second digit from the left. Next we are going to see ascending order and descending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest. It is also known as increasing order. Example, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. The given numbers are 2,586, 11,268, 30,264, 14,789, 23,258. It is better that you always read the numbers, which will help you to arrange the number in the proper order. So out of these five numbers, which is the smallest of all? 2586 is lesser than, the next one will be 11,268, and it is lesser than 14,789, and that is lesser than 23,258, and it is lesser than 30,264. Now we found the order. Now arrange it in the proper order. The ascending order is 2,586, 11,268, 14,789, 23,258, and 30,264. Descending order. Descending order means arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest, which is also known as decreasing order. Example, arrange the following numbers in descending order. The given numbers are 18,89,216, 17,89,612, 30,26,614, 14,78,945, 23,25,836. What do you mean by descending order, children? Arranging the number from greatest to smallest. Out of these five numbers, which is the greatest of all? Is 30,26,614, which is greater than 23,25,836, and that is greater than 18,89,216. It is greater than 17,89,612, and that is greater than 14,78,945. Now we found the order. So the descending order is 30,26,614, 23,25,836, 18,89,216, 17,89,612, and 14,78,945. Next, we are going to see predecessor and successor. Predecessor. What is predecessor? One less than the given number or before number. Predecessor is equal to the number minus 1. Successor. Successor is one more than the given number or after number. So successor is equal to the number plus 1. Example. The given number is 50. So what is the predecessor for the number 50? Predecessor means one less than the given number or the number before. So 15 minus 1 is 14. So the predecessor for 15 is 14. So what is successor? One more than the given number, which is 15 plus 1, 16. Let us consider another number, 2369. So the predecessor is nothing but 1 less than the given number, which means number minus 1. So 2369 minus 1 is 2368. Now what is successor? 1 more than or the number plus 1. So 2369 plus 1 is 2370. Therefore the successor is 2370. 29,990. So what is the predecessor? Minus 1, which is 29,989. And the successor is given number plus 1, which is 29,991. 8,36,701. So the predecessor is given number minus 1, 8,36,700, and the successor is number plus 1, which is 8,36,702. Understood, children? Let us see problem set 7. Make the smallest and greatest 5-digit number using all of the digits. You may repeat the digits. Apply part. Fourth sum. The digits are 5, 0, 1, 8 and 2. How to form a greatest number? We have to arrange the given digits in the descending order. So the descending order of the given digits is 8, 5, 2, 1 and 0. Therefore, the greatest 5-digit number is 85,210. Now we have to form the smallest number. How to form the smallest number? We have to arrange the given digit in the ascending order. So the ascending order of the given digits is 0, 1, 2, 5, 8. But we have to make a note here. One of the digits is 0. If one of the digits is 0, that will come as the second digit in the left. So we should not write it as 0, 1, 258. It will be wrong. We have to write it as 10, 258, which is 10,258. Understood, children? So try the remaining sums in your textbook. Moving on to problem set 8. Arrange the following in ascending order. Apply second sum. The given set of numbers are 69 lakh 12,809, 11 lakh 9,198, 29 lakh 82,987, 23 lakh 9,198 and 15 lakh 67,890. What do you mean by ascending order, children? Arranging the given numbers from smallest to greatest. Now, which is the smallest of all in the given set of numbers? Is 11 lakh 9,198, then 15 lakh 67,890, then 23 lakh 9,198, then 29 lakh 82,987 and 69 lakh 12,809. Therefore, the ascending order is 11 lakh 9,198, 15 lakh 67,890, 23 lakh 9,198, 29 lakh 82,987 and 69 lakh 12,809. Try the remaining sums under problem set 8. Moving on to problem set 9. Arrange the following in descending order. Apply part. Third sum. The given set of numbers are 3,71,204, 18,62,202, 7,60,004, 21,04,999 and 10,05,612. What do you mean by descending order, children? Arranging the given number from greatest to smallest. So, which is the greatest of all in the given set of numbers? Is 21,04,999 and the next one is 18,62,202. Then the next one is 10,05,612. Then 7,60,004. Finally, it is 3,71,204. Now let us arrange it in the order. So the descending order is 21,04,999, 18,62,202, 10,05,612, 7,60,004 and 3,71,204. Try the remaining sums in your textbook, children. Problem set 10. Write the predecessor and successor for the given numbers. Apply part. Third sum. The given number is 8,59,121. What do you mean by successor, children? Successor is nothing but one more than the given number or the number plus 1. So 8,59,121 plus 1 gives you 8,59,122, which is the successor of the given number. Let us see the predecessor for the number 1,93,821. What do you mean by predecessor? 1 less than the given number or the number minus 1. So 1,93,821 minus 1 gives you 1,93,820, which is the predecessor of the given number. Hope you have understood, children. Try the remaining sums in your textbook. Now, answer for the puzzle. Have you tried the puzzle just in the beginning of the video? Okay, let us see the answer now. Let me repeat the question. I am a 5-digit number. My tens digit is 9. My ones digit is 5. My hundreds digit is 0. My thousand digit is same as hundreds. My 10,000 digit is 8. What number am I? So you got the answer, children? Okay, let us see how to solve it. The clue is I am a 5-digit number. So a 5-digit number has 5 places. First write the places of the numbers starting from ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. Now start filling the numbers according to the clue. My tens digit is 9. So write 9 under tens. My ones digit is 5. So write 5 under ones. My hundreds digit is 0. So write 0 under 100. My thousands digit is same as 100. So what is the number under 100? 0. Write 0 under thousands. My 10,000 digit is 8. Now write 8 under 10,000. Now we got the numbers as 80095, which is nothing but 80,095. So the number is 80,095. Hope you all got the correct answer. Okay children, try these exercises in your textbook. Try to finish it up to problem set 10 in your textbook. See you in the next part children. Thank you.